Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving straight into one of the most thrilling machines the motorcycle world has ever witnessed, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4. If you're a fan of pure speed, cutting-edge Italian engineering, and breathtaking design, then this motorcycle is going to leave you absolutely stunned. Ducati has once again redefined what a superbike should be, and the 2026 Panigale V4 proves why it remains the king of racetrack-inspired road machines. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the updated 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine. Ducati has refined the power delivery to make it even smoother, more responsive, and more exhilarating. The 2026 model pushes out insane horsepower, figures with blistering acceleration, making every twist of the throttle feel like you're launching a missile down a runway. The torque curve has also been improved for stronger mid-range power, giving riders more control and aggression when coming out of corners. It's not just speed, it's precision-crafted performance. When it comes to design, the 2026 Panigale V4 remains unmistakably Ducati: sleek, aerodynamic, sharp, and incredibly aggressive. The bodywork has received subtle tweaks to improve airflow and enhance stability at high speeds. The LED headlamps now have a more piercing look, giving the bike a razor-sharp front profile. The sculpted fuel tank and redesigned fairings aren't just for show. Every line, every vent, and every angle has a purpose. Ducati's dedication to marrying art with performance shines through like never before. Handling has also taken a leap forward. The new electronic package is smarter, faster, and more intuitive. Ducati has updated the traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, and cornering ABS to offer a more refined, confidence-boosting riding experience. Whether you're pushing the bike on a track or cruising through twisty roads, the Panigale V4 feels incredibly planted and stable. The Öhlins electronically controlled suspension system has been fine-tuned for maximum comfort and razor-sharp responsiveness, giving riders that perfect balance between everyday usability and extreme performance potential. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Panigale V4 is its improved cooling system. Ducati introduced more efficient airflow channels and an upgraded radiator setup, ensuring the bike runs cooler even under intense riding conditions. This means longer performance, less heat on the rider, and better reliability overall. The electronics also include the latest full-color TFT display with improved graphics and smoother animations. Ducati has made sure all vital information is easy to read, even at high speeds. Riders can customize multiple riding modes, adjust settings on the fly, and stay connected through advanced Bluetooth features. Of course, a superbike isn't complete without a soundtrack, and the 2026 Panigale V4 delivers a symphony of pure adrenaline. The exhaust note is deeper, louder, and more aggressive,